Hi everyone, in this video we will introduce dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries in Python are very similar to dictionaries in real life. So this of course is a real life dictionary, and this is a visual representation of a dictionary in Python. So here we have a dictionary named contacts, and each name or key is associated with a value, or in this case, the value is a phone number. So for example, the key Kiera is associated with her phone number, which is 3378520. Okay, so here's some Python syntax for dictionaries. So to define a dictionary, we would just write dictionary name equals key 1, value 1, comma, key 2, value 2, and so on. So for example, if we were to write this in code and then print it out, it would look something like this. Now, if we wanted to create a new key value pair to add to the dictionary, we could just write dictionary name, key, and then the value associated with that key. So for example, we had a dictionary with only 2 keys before. They were Kiera and Stefan. But let's say we want to add Jasmine, so the dictionary looks something like this. So what we would do is we would just write contacts, Jasmine, and then that equal to her phone number. And then as you can see here, that contacts gets updated to have 3 keys and values associated with the keys. And then to access a key value pair, we would just write dictionary name and then key. So for example, let's say we wanted to access Jasmine's phone number. We would just write print contacts Jasmine to just access the value, which is her phone number, 7558090. Dictionaries are mutable data types. They can be modified or changed after being created. However, it's important to note that the keys must be of immutable data types. Thank you for watching.